In the years immediately after the war, life didn't reset. It restarted slowly. In the South, land was damaged. Cities were broken. Systems had collapsed. Rebuilding wasn't a plan. It was survival. In the North, industry continued to grow. Rail lines stretched farther. Towns expanded. Movement began again. And with that movement came routine. Farms were worked again, shops reopened, communities reformed, and dogs returned to their place within it, guarding property, watching over livestock, moving alongside families as they rebuilt what had been lost. Not as symbols, not as something new, but as something familiar, something steady, because after years of disruption, that steadiness mattered. Life wasn't easier, but it was becoming structured again. And dogs fit into that structure the same way they always had. Close to the home, close to work, close to the people who needed them. Because even after everything, that relationship didn't have to be rebuilt. It was already there.